Hello friends, good day to you all. I am Anuya Chabukswar. Today I am going to give you information about addiction and its effect on our body. For last 4 to 5 years, I am working on the project of anti-addiction drive. I go to different colleges and schools and there I give the information about the addiction and its bad effect on our body to the children, and I try to bring awareness among them about the addiction. So today, with the help of this channel, I am going to give you the same information. Try to listen to it carefully, try to think over it and decide for yourself that you will never ever go for any type of addiction. Hello friends. Friends, many times in movies you must have seen your favorite hero smoking a cigarette in style, and you must have thought for yourself that yes, I will do the same to impress the people. But in reality, people are not impressed. On the contrary, your image is damaged as a smoker or as an addict. Smoking is harmful to the smoker as well as to the others who are living with him. If in a public place there are 50 people and one person is smoking, then at that time he is the active smoker, but all the others 49 of them, they are passive smokers, because they too inhale the smoke which is equally harmful to them. And that is why in most of the countries today, in public places, smoking is banned. If we enter the house of a smoker, we can smell the smell of the cigarette, and because the particles of the cigarette or that smoke, they are gathered on the curtains or on the bed sheets, and that is why even if that person is not in the house, we can smell the smoke. This is very harmful to the small children in the house. Now we'll see why smoking is fatal to us. In a cigarette, there are many chemicals which are harmful to us. In real life, you won't think of consuming them, but with this smoke, you inhale those chemicals directly into your lungs. There are chemicals that are there we can see in wax or paint or insecticides or toilet cleaner, and such harmful chemicals are there. You will never think of consuming them, but still you inhale them, and that is why it is fatal. Children, you must have seen in your science book the picture of the lungs of a healthy person and the picture of the lungs of a person who smokes. And you must have seen the difference very clearly. The lungs of the smoker is blackened eventually because the carbon particles in the smoke, they remain there, and because that person is having such lungs, he cannot work hard, he cannot do any physical work, and he suffers from many illnesses such as cough, TB, or even heart trouble and cancer. And that is why we should remain away from smoking. Even the blood supply of the person is hampered. The blood supply to the foot is hampered, and because of that there would be gangrene in it. There can be gangrene, and this results in amputation of the foot. Smoker is not satisfied with smoking only. He goes for multiple addictions such as alcohol or ganja or other drugs, and that is why again it becomes fatal, or the risk increases because of this. And that is why children, always decide for yourself, always remain away from this smoking, and don't think that you can impress girls or other people with smoking. Remain healthy and remain satisfied. Thank you.